Hi friends, today's video is about how to make Quilted Durgamma idol in a easy method. Without any delay, let's start the video. Now join 5mm 40 strips. Here I am making tiger. Join total 40 strips. Make two tight coils of 40 strips and 40 strips, total 80 strips, and make a deep dome. Make as shown in the video. Here I am making the body of tiger. Make a dome shape. Apply glue inside the dome. Now take another dome and make a dome. Make in a cross shape. Make as shown in the video. Here I am making the dome small cross. Make as shown in the video. It will be the front part of tiger. You have to make as making in a shape. Not it should be this type. Now apply glue inside the dome. It will be the body of tiger. Now again join 5mm 40 strips and connect the two domes. Now connect the another dome also. My one strip length is 28 cm. For things needed, check in description box. Now the body is ready. Now join 5mm 20 strips. Here I am making face of tiger. Make total 2 tight coils, 20 strips and 20 strips. Now take a one tight coil and make a deep dome. Make as shown in the shape. It will be the front face. Now apply glue inside the domes. Apply glue neatly. Now join 5mm 2 strips. Here I am making ears of tiger. One white color strip and one yellow color strip. And make in a ear shape. Make 2 ears. Now join 3mm 2 strips. And make a mango shape in a teardrop shape. Tight teardrop shape. Make total 2. Now join 3mm 1/4 strip. Here I am making eyes for tiger. Now join 3mm half strip of black color. Here I am making nose for tiger. Make it a triangle shape. Now take a red color strip of 3mm and make in a triangle shape. Its strip length is 1/3. Now join 3mm one strip and make small loose and make in a half moon shape. Here I am making mouth. Now take back the domes and connect the two domes. Now connect ears. Now connect the nose. Now connect the mouth. Now connect the eyes. Now connect the face to the base body of tiger. My one strip length is 28 cm. It is very easy to prepare. Now join 5mm 3 strips. Here I am making legs for tiger. Make in a cone shape with the help of pencil. Now apply glue inside the cone. Now join 3mm 2 strips. Here I am making foot for tiger. Now make in a teardrop shape. Now connect the cone to the foot. Now the legs are ready make total 4 legs. Now connect legs to the tiger base body. Now the legs are ready. Now color the yellow color paint. Now take a 3mm strip and apply glue and wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making tail for tiger. Now apply glue and connect tail on the back side of tiger. Now the tail is ready. Now take a 3mm black color strip and cut in a cross shape. Cut as shown in the video. It will be the marks for tiger. Make some more. Now connect all over the body of tiger to give a tiger look. Connect the total black color strips around the body. After this it will be like this. Now it is look like a real tiger. Now the almost tiger is ready. Now take a blue color piece of paper and attach to it. Now join 5mm 22 strips. Here I am making base for Durga Mata. Now the base is ready. Now take a red color piece of paper and decorate with some borders and make pleats. Make as shown in the video. Now add glue on the front edge and close it to give a sari look. Now apply glue and connect to the base. Connect neatly. Apply to the tiger body neatly. Now join 5mm 35 strips of green color. Here I am making base body of Lord Durga Ma. Now make a deep dome. Now apply glue inside the dome. Now again join 3mm 35 strips and make a little dome shape. It will be the upper base of dome. Now apply glue inside the domes. Now apply neatly with the help of brush. Now the domes are ready. Now connect the two domes. Now connect the two domes. Now connect the dome to the base body. Connect neatly. Now join 5mm 2 strips. Here I am making neck for Lord Durga Ma. Now join 5mm 4 strips. Here I am making legs for Durga Ma and make a cone shape. Make little bit small cone and bend it slowly. When you are bending, do it very slowly. Apply glue inside the cones. Here I am making legs for Durga Ma and make another cone. Make slowly, make little bend. Now another cone also ready. Now apply glue inside the cone. When you are doing cones, do it very slowly and apply glue around the cones. Now again join 3mm 4 strips of 2 tight coils and add glue to it and connect to the cones. It will help to close the cones. Now the legs are ready. Now take a 5 mm strip and wrap around the legs and wrap as shown in the video. Here I am decorating the uh, legs for Lord Durgama. Cut it, repeat the same process until end. After finishing it will be like this. Now take a golden strip and wrap around the legs to give a grand look. Repeat the process to whole legs and repeat the same procedure for second leg also. Now connect the legs to the base body of Lord Durgama. Here I am making sitting position of Lord Durgama. Do it very slowly. Let it dry. After drying it will be like this. Now make a saree with the red color paper and connect saree to the base body of Durgama. After connecting it will be like this. Now cut in a as shown in the video and attach a piece paper to the stomach part. Now add jewelry to the Lord Durgama, hip belt. Now add some jewelry to decorate the Lord Durgama. Now join 5 mm 12 strips. Here I am making face of Lord Durgama and make a deep dome. Now add glue inside the dome. Here I am making face for Lord Durgama. Now cut a black color hairstyle and paste around the face. Now join 5 mm 13 strips. Here I am making crown for Lord Durgama. Now apply glue inside the crown and add ears to the Lord Durgama. Now apply nose. Now add black color on the back side of the face. Now take a black color pen and mark the facial expressions. Mark the eyes. Now take a red pen and add bindi and lips of Lord Durgama. Now facial expressions are ready. Now take a yellow color dome and make little bit bigger with the help of pen. Now add glue and connect the crown to the face of Lord Durgama. Now the face is ready. Now take a black color piece of paper and cut it. It will be the long hair for Lord Durgama. Now connect the face of Lord Durgama. Let it dry. Now take a green color paper. Join 5 mm 2 strips. Here I am making hands for Lord Durgama. And take a pencil and make a cone shape. Here I am making hands for Lord Durgama. Here I am making total 8 hands for Lord Durgama. And join 5 mm 1 strip of skin color and make a cone shape. Make little bit bigger. Apply glue inside the cones. Now add glue and connect the 2 cones. Now make total 8 hands and decorate with bangles and borders with the help of golden sheet. Now add hands to the base body of Lord Durgama. Here I am attaching hands. Attach as shown in the video, step by step. Here I am attaching total 8 hands for Lord Durgama. Attach step by step. Now take another hand and attach. Now attach last hand. Total 8 hands. Now the hands are ready. Now join 3 mm 1.5 strip. Here I am making palm for Lord Durgama. Make total 8. Now join 3 mm half strip and make total 2 tight coils and connect the 2 coils half strip and half strip and take a 3 mm strip and wrap around the tight coils. Here I am making foot for Lord Durgama. Now take a paper strip and cut it. It will be the fingers for foot. Now connect the fingers to the foot and open it. Now the foot is ready. Now connect the second one also. Now 2 foots are ready. Now attach foot to the legs. Now connect the second foot also. Now the legs are ready. Now attach long hair to the Lord Durgama. Attach neatly. The hair should be very long. Now connect the palms to the hands. Now attach total 8 palms to the 8 hands. Now hands are ready. Now I have painted the 8 hands and I have also attached some hair on the front side to give a nice look. Now join 3 mm 2 strips and make a teardrop shape. Now connect this teardrop shape on the front of cone to give a grand look. Now take a 3 mm paper strip of 4 strips and wrap around it. Join total 4 strips. Here I am making crown for hair. Now the round is ready. Now join 3 mm half strip and make a small teardrop shapes. Make some more and paste around the crown. Here I am using 1/2 of strip and decorate it, complete it. Now take a pink color paper strip of 5 mm and cut with a zigzag scissor and make a lotus for Lord Durgama and open it. Now the lotus is ready. Now here I am making weapons. Now join 3 mm 2 strips. Here I am making chakram. Add small tight coils around the chakram. Now the chakram is ready. Now join 3 mm 1 strip and make a cone shape. Here I am making shankam and make little bend to give a shankam look. And join 2 mm 1 strip and make little dome and connect the 2 cones. Apply glue inside the cones. Now connect the 2 cones. Now apply small teardrop shape of yellow color. Now shankam is ready. Now join 3 mm 3 strips and make a little bit dome. Here I am making gada for Lord Durgama and connect the 2 domes. Here I am making weapons for Lord Durgama and take a 20 mm strip and wrap it and cut it. Now attach the paper strip to the dome. Now the gada is ready. Now take a piece of white color paper strip and wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making Trishul for Lord Durga Ma. Wrap it and make in a Trishul shape. Make total 3. Now connect the 3 strips with one another to make a Trishul look. Now the Trishul is ready. Now attach stand. Now attach Trishul to the roll. Now the Trishul is ready. Now take a paper strip and cut in a knife shape. Here I am making nice. And now take a 5mm strip of black color and wrap on the edge side of knife to give a look. Now take a yellow color paper strip and make a bow. Here I am making bow and arrow to give a nice look. Now attach thread to the bow. Now the bow is ready. Now attach arrow to the bow. Bow and arrow is also ready. Now connect the weapons to the Lord Durga Ma. Connect all. After connecting it will like this. I also attached hair crown on the back side of the Lord Durga Ma. Now the Lord Durga Ma is ready for the festival. Now Dasara special Lord Durga Ma idol is ready. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.